and we are heading our direction to Pattaya City. It's Tuesday, 29 October 2019. Today's travel route is 623 km. We took quite a very long time, 16 hours and 36 minutes. That's from starting from 8 a.m. in the morning and we finish at midnight. So it's from Phnom Penh over here all the way to Pattaya City. We went through the border. Where's the border? Let's see. So this is the border over here. Okay, and then we passed through. This is just a lucky shot. I didn't know that we get this. This is the narrowest part of Thailand actually. Yes, and we two fuel stops for this trip. That's where we ended up in Pattaya City, where we sleep the night at actually a lighthouse. Cool stuff. Genap midnight 30th October. Finally sampai Pattaya City.